Prairie View Mom. It's October 27 and we have ice. It seems like there was no time at all between summer and winter.
Outside.
Yes.
And take off crisps.
Take off what?
Those little things on the house.
Oh, they're called crystals.
No,
They're called icicles. Don't get your glove wet or it will be cold outside. So, we're going to get all bundled up and go explore the garden.
Those little things. Come out here.
I'm coming. Wow. So much ice. That does sound funny.
Yeah.
Look at so much ice on the leaves. Wow, look at that. Wow, I just heard a limb fall over there. Look at how thick this ice is.
So cold. It's so cold.
Okay, I'm coming.
Rider. And rider, you step on it.
My poor cilantro, look at this. I have a Tashkent marigold hiding under this 5-gallon bucket. Look at that. Don't break the cilantro. Well,
Eating my nacho.
you're gonna eat cilantro caked with ice?
Mmm.
I picked most of the New Zealand spinach, and I picked all the basil and made pesto out of it last night. Let's see if we can find a green tomato frozen solid. Oh, your tractor has icicles on it. Are you gonna eat it? Icicles on the clothesline. Look how low these branches are. We had a bunch of branches break in the front yard. This is what frozen solid tomato blossoms look like. There's another one right here. Look at that cute little tomato blossoms frozen in the ice. There's some tomatoes. Tomatoes, anyone? Okay. Wow. Where's the pepper?
Right here.
Oh yeah, is that pepper, anyone? Walking on the corn stalks. This right here is my Tashkent marigold. Whoops, are you okay?
Yeah.
I covered it with a sheet, and now the sheet is just a thick layer of ice. I can see the little blooms under there. I have no idea if it will survive under there. And the sunflower is all smashed down. Hannah, are you going to go exploring in the ice jungle over there too?
Yeah. Here I'm going.
Look, there's sunflowers still. Look at that.
And another one. So pretty.
Winter just came immediately after summer. Look at that.
Look. Look at this one.
Wow, it's completely iced over. So pretty. Are you cold, Hannah?
You carry me on your back.
Okay, hop on my back. good. Look at this winter wonderland of ice.
Bye.
Ice, ice.
Crunch.
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 Crunch. Crunch. Oh, no. That's the roselle. I'm going to see if it will produce seeds after it thaws. My roselle only produced a little bowl full of calyxes. The roselle that I picked did not have mature seeds, so I'm hoping that these roselle that are still on the plants will somehow, the seeds will mature once it thaws. Look! Wow. Let's let Catherine chew this one up. We like to eat roselle leaves. They're yummy and sour, and with a layer of ice, they're like a treat.
Look, that one has the.
Yes,
This one has the print of a leaf.
Oh, I see it kind of slid off, didn't it? Yes, you may have an icy leaf. Here. Let's see if I can find one for myself.
Yeah, sour.
Icy with sourness inside. This is the pile of tomato vines and pepper plants that Edwin cut out of the garden on, there goes another branch, on Friday. I just heard a crash.
What?
I just heard a crash of another branch breaking in someone else's yard. Look, here are my beet plants. I covered them up evening before last and left them covered all day yesterday because it was just frozen. Frozen. I hope they survive. Okay. No. Don't step in there. Here's my little pea plants. We ate our first 2 peas the other day. Our first 2 pea pods full of peas. I hope that they survive, and if not, we may just pick them and eat the greens. The tomatillo over there is all frozen. Sure, you can trample over the tomatillo.
I'm gonna trample the tomatillo.
Okay. You may.
Our walkway covered with snow. Tom, you do this? I can't.
The tomatillo won't survive the cold.
One tomatillo hurt my hand because it was so frozen.
Oh, I'm sorry. We got nice salsa verde out of tomatillos from the tomatillos that we grew twice, and I've got another batch that I just picked a couple days ago. So this was my first time growing tomatillos, and they weren't super productive, but we enjoyed the salsa verde.
I see it turning black in places.
Oh yeah,
Why is it turning black?
because it's getting wet as it's touching the wetness underneath. Last week, the girls helped me dig all of the gladiolas up except those still had roots, so I left them, but now they're going to need to be dug up. And underneath here are our carrots. We'll see if they survive. And here's my Swiss chard. I'm not sure it's going to survive. I thought we were just having a couple of frosts and cold nights. I didn't know we were going to have an ice storm. There's the Bright Light Swiss chard. And I didn't cover this carrot. Here's a carrot here. And that one's a Brussels sprout. These are the little radishes that Catherine planted. I don't think they'll survive. Poor little radishes. And under here, under this sheet and this sheet, are some little plants that my sister brought to me. Snapdragons and feverfew and foxglove. But I have no idea if they're going to survive under there. I hope they will. If I I got them covered up well enough. What do you think of all of this ice? Yeah, it's cold stuff, isn't it? Yeah, look at all this ice, Tarsi. Another branch broke. Let's check out the front yard and see what we can see out here. The branch is so weighed down, but it looks like this one is not broken yet. Any little zinnia flowers. There's ice on them. So many broken branches. We better not go under the branches or they might break on me. Oh, our beautiful tree is not pretty and symmetrical anymore. It lost that big branch and a bunch of little ones.
I had so much fun trampling in those things and in those plants.
When I looked up the predicted first frost date for our area, we're in zone 7A. The first predicted frost date was yesterday.
Baba!
Friday, it was predicted to frost, and I covered things up and nothing froze in our backyard. But then here there's been these 2 days, yesterday and today, with sleet and freezing rain. So
Let's
wow.
go outside again.
You want to go outside again?
Yeah.
So our winter has started with a bang, whether it's winter or not. Thank you so much for going exploring in the icy garden with us.
Do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
Yes. And remember that God loves you.
Bye! Then my turn.
Okay, what is Hannah going to say?
What destination, he said? No. Snow and little things I picked off. It's called an icicle. It's called an ice cube. Bye!
Not an ice cube, an icicle.
I said bye.
Can you say icicle?